This is a Bibury multi-tool. I bought it from Amazon for £19. It's about $23. It's got 15 functions. You can pause it now if you want to read them, but I'm going to go ahead and see what's inside. Firstly, it's got a really nice weight and nothing's moving around. It feels really snug. Slides out nicely. Pliers, really nice spring-loaded pliers, ideal for pulling teeth, and a really nice finish. Reminds me of a Lamborghini Aventador. So if you can't afford one of those, get one of these. Blade, very scary, great for waving around, scaring the neighbours, possibly killing some small animals if you're lost in the forest. Use the saw, cut down some firewood so you can enjoy some cooked squirrel. What else we got? Screwdriver with all the bits that the average person would need. Phillips, flatheads, stars, magnetically attached, really nice, love that. Could do some damage with that. Check it out. Moving on. Up next we've got a ruler and a file, so you could measure stuff and then file it down to your desired measurement. Rope knife, ideal for dental floss stuck in your teeth. Open a can of whoop-ass with that can opener. Bottle opener, they look the same but different. Let's look at it in all its glory. Look at that, I mean that's impressive. You could do 15 things at once. You'd probably hurt yourself, but it would be worth it because it's really impressive. Really like that. Worth every penny. Let's put it away before we hurt ourselves though. That's it, that's the budget Bibury multi-tool from Amazon for under $25. See ya!